quick do-it-yourself job, fairly inexpensive, and it's amazing the attention to detail that your eye doesn't necessarily catch, but it does see it. So what happens is these old faded out knobs, you just kind of give the overall general impression of the whole thing as being just kind of old and tired, where once we put some new knobs on, then it gives it a much more clean, updated look. And sometimes it's the simple little things that we can do that really make a big difference overall to the whole system. So I will come back and take all these off one more time and put on a nice silicone, not an adhesive, but just a silicone, just to keep the threads nice and clean, make it easier when I go to replace them next time. You can certainly get the fancy shiny ones, but there's something about a very nostalgic knob that we like. So even though we looked at a lot of the other knobs that are on the market, we chose for just a simple looking, original kind of look to it. So, and there you go. That's what she looks like